Stop wasting your money on store-bought protein bars and start making these ones. Welcome to the video. What is up guys, Ricky here, back again with another tutorial video. Today we are going to be making my favorite protein bar recipe. Only this time we're substituting the regular whey protein for KINO Collagen. Now this is everything that we're going to be using for this recipe. We're going to be using some Hershey's cocoa powder, some KINO Collagen, some peanut butter, some vanilla extract, some unsweetened vanilla cashew milk, or if you only have almond milk, that works too. Some fat-free jello mix. Now in the original recipe I used chocolate, but all they had in the store today was the butterscotch. It's going to work just as well. We're going to use blended oats or oat flour, and we're going to put some chocolate chips. Okay, so let's get straight to the recipe. Ready? Okay, so we're going to need a bowl to mix everything, and you're going to need a scale to measure everything. And we're going to start by weighing 128 grams of peanut butter. You could use almond butter, or you could use peanut butter. Okay. Next, we're going to put a cup of the almond milk or the cashew milk. There you go. Okay. Next, we're going to put a splash of vanilla extract, or a teaspoon. Should be good. Okay, next we're going to put in the collagen, using 5 scoops of the KINO Collagen. Now, I'm not weighing this out, I'm just going for 5 scoops. 3, 4, 5. A link is going to be in the description for your collagen if you don't have it already. Okay, I'll leave this here. Okay, next we're going to add in the oats. I'm going to tear the scale to 0. And we're going to go 80 grams of oats. Now, if you don't have oat flour, like I said, you could just take some quick oats and blend them. $30, $55, $70. There. Okay. Some aside. Next, we're going to add in our cocoa powder. So I'm putting 4 tablespoons. One, 2. Now, if you want to be more accurate, you're going to go by grams. But right now, we're just using the quick method. Okay. Next, we're going to add in our jello. Make sure you get the fat-free, and it works best with the chocolate, but like I said, they only had this one left in the store, so we're using the full pack. Okay, and one more thing I forgot to get out is some salt, so I'm gonna get the salt. It'd be funny if it wasn't there. Okay, so I like to use pink Himalayan sea salt. Now, you could use as much salt as you like. Well, obviously you're not going to dump the whole thing. just like that. Perfect. Okay, that's it. And we're just gonna mix this well. You want this consistency. You could even make like a pudding out of this recipe. You don't even have to freeze it. Just eat it like this. God, that smells so good. Okay. Gonna get yourself a tray. Now this is like a, I believe it's like an 8x8. You're gonna line some parchment paper. And we're just gonna pour this in. Finish that up later, and then we're gonna dress this with 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of chocolate chips. Just like that. 26, 7, 30. Obviously, if you want them to all be exactly 220 calories, you're gonna want to evenly distribute the chocolate chips. But, you know, I'm gonna probably eat this whole batter, so, you know, I'm gonna just calculate the whole batter in one. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the freezer, minimum 4 hours. Like I said in the description, in the original description, that's the hardest part of this recipe, is waiting 4 hours before you get to eat it. So we're gonna put this in the freezer. And I already have a batch ready. There you have it. Makes 8 big chocolate protein bars. You guys are absolutely going to love this recipe. Try it out. Tag me on my Instagram and share it with all your friends. You want to do a taste test? I'm so hungry.
Sure.
Actually, you know what? I would do a taste test, but because I just took it out of the freezer, I'm gonna have to wait like 10 minutes. So when you take it out of the freezer, wait about 5-10 minutes, and then they're the perfect ice cream bar texture. You're gonna love these. All right, guys. So try these out. Let me know what you think, and that's it. The total number of calories and macros are gonna be down in the description. There you go. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. It's been about 10 minutes. So I took 2 out. I'm gonna take a taste test. So good. Oh my God. If you love chocolate and peanut butter, like who doesn't, seriously? And then the added salt, oh my God. Oh yeah. Can't even talk, so sticky. Definitely try these out. You guys are absolutely going to love them. Okay guys, one more shot. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.